Detoxing is abstaining from weed to allow the body to flush all THC and its metabolites that are stored around the body. THC, the main psychoactive component of cannabis, is highly soluble in fat. When you smoke weed, the THC gets into the blood. From the blood, part of the THC is trapped in the fat cells, and part of the THC is removed from the body by the liver. Our body burns fat cells, and the THC from those cells is released back into the blood. So to detox from the THC, you need to burn the fat cells containing THC and its metabolites. Burning fat naturally is a slow process. People with higher body mass and heavy smokers will need more time to detox. So, how to detox from marijuana naturally? The following 3 protocols are a must for successful detoxification. The very first action is abstinence. You cannot try to get rid of THC from your system while still hitting the joint. It also involves getting ready to deal with the withdrawal symptoms, including insomnia, bad dreams, decreased appetite, irritability, and stomach pains. Diet. Dieting to detox THC is more or less a weight loss program since it involves burning layers of fat. Here are some tips. Don't skip breakfast. Skipping breakfast won't help much in losing fat because you might end up munching on unhealthy snacks once you feel hungry. Eat regular meals. Eating healthy meals regularly during the day means that your body's rate of burning calories is at an all-time high. Add fruits and veggies into your regimen. Vegetables are considerably lower in calories, and yet they pack a punch in keeping you full. Drink water. Taking a high amount of water increases the number of calories that you burn by increasing the basal metabolic rate by 10 to 30%. Exercise. When you reduce the calorie intake, your body starts using proteins from your muscles as an energy source. You need to exercise to avoid that and let your body burn fat instead of muscles. How much time will natural detoxification take? It depends on a smoking frequency, amount of smoked weed, and personal metabolism. Natural detoxification can take from 7 to 48 days. How to speed up the process? Drink apple cider vinegar. There's a study that shows that consuming at least 15 milliliters of vinegar over a few weeks can help in reducing body weight and fat mass. Use the Premium 7-Day Detox Kit. The Premium 7-Day Detox Kit will naturally detox your body in 7 days. This product is safe and completely legal. Since the manufacturer offers a full refund to anyone who finds this product useless, you can try it without risking anything. To get more information about this product, follow the link in the description. So to sum it up, if you need to detox from marijuana, you need to do the following: abstain, follow a healthy diet plan, exercise, use the Premium 7-Day Detox Kit. If you missed anything or have any questions, please leave a comment and let us know. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about passing a drug test, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.